Hello friends, my name is Na and you are watching Gain Money and Tricks channel. If you are new to our community, consider subscribing and turn on the bell notification whenever we upload new videos. You will be notified of that. So you might be seen on the title of this video and the thumbnail that I have written how to make money online as a teenager or make money online by watching videos, which is best earning app. So of course today I have brought you a new app that you can make money online with that, and you can just watching videos you can earn online money. Watching videos means watching TV shows, streaming TV, and doing so many things. And that case, you can make money online with that. So I don't want to waste your time. Just jump into the main website that I would like to show you. The main website or the app is called Waggle. So Waggle is actually uh, powered by Perk, the number one mobile reward program. Perk has more rewards, more apps, and more giveaways than anyone. Redeem gift cards for top brands like Amazon, PayPal, Walmart, and over 200 plus more gift cards and others. Check into any TV program by tapping on the Wiggle app. Once checked in, you will start earning food points. So actually, Wiggle is an app for iPhone and Android that allows user to watch TV and earn points. The app listens to the audio to determine what channel and show you are watching. The gives you points for that show. You can play games and receive ads on your phone for points. These points can then be redeemed for rewards. So actually, this is a very basic app. You can simply download to your smartphone and you can connect with TV shows and films and movies and other things. So in that case, you can make some extra cash. Actually, you can earn perks. Then actually, you can redeem to gift cards and something like that. And you can also cash out from PayPal too. So if you scroll down here, they simply said earn points by checking into any live TV streaming programs to start earning for points with Wiggle. So that is the best way to watch videos and earn money online with that. So the score bonuses points are also there. You can triple X, 5x, 10x your earning by this way. So actually, so get rewards are there. You can redeem your perk points on your Waggle app for over 800 plus gift cards options. Means 800 options they are giving you to redeem your rewards or your points actually. So if you have an iPhone or iPad, you can simply click this button App Store, or if you have Samsung and any other Android app, so you can simply click on the Google Play button actually. So that is that much simple and easy. So the next thing is that the if you click on the App Store, you will see an app like this Wiggle for iPhone and iPad. Actually, you can see here, and for Android, this is the main thing. You can click here and download the app to your smartphone, install, and after that you can triple X, double X, for example, 3x, 5x, 2x, 10x your earning actually. So the usage of this application is very simple. You can simply connect to the live streaming TVs and shows, and then you can watch. And actually, this app will just listen to that, and in that case, they will give you the points. And another way is that you can play games and allow ads on your phone. So in that case, they will also give you the points and perks. And that after that, you can change or convert to uh, your gift cards or your PayPal money. So if you scroll down here, this app, Android app, has gotten more than 1 million plus downloads actually, and that is the best app that you can download. And they have more downloads and they have more uh, means they're giving you the money to people for watching videos actually. So the basic thing or the basic strategy is that that you can simply watch the videos and you can earning money by that case. Even if you are a teenage kid or housewife or something like that, simply just connect with the TV, live stream TV, and then you can just leave like that, and you will earning points. So by that way, so it is that much simple and easy. So that is the whole review and the whole instruction and direction for Wiggle. So just find out the link in the description of this video and you can sign up for this brilliant app and make some extra cash for that. So if you like the video, please give a thumb up and for this video and comment me below anything regarding how to make money online, how to get passive income and how to work from home. So if you want more, please comment me below, or you are using any other app, so please comment me below that I can understand what app you are using. So if you want more, please visit to our channel here for brilliant and more and different videos online that we are making money online with that. So till next video, see you awesome with enjoyable moments.